Holy crap. I came here expecting to see an Eleanor, not this. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
There's a lot to take in here. So regular cab, short bed, Coyote, I'm assuming there's some form of forced induction after seeing this.
There might be something under there.
And then you have a Gen 5 Viper. I actually have a white Gen 5 as well.
No way.
Wow, white Blobeye STI. I had a white WRX as well. Black turbo. What do we got hiding in the back?
C8 Z06.
Okay, why not? And what's on top?
66 vet.
Wow, what's in that thing?
That's got a 454 with some Braddock sides on it, forged pistons, forged rods.
Damn, dude.
Little built 5-speed.
You got a collection and a half going on here in a home garage, too. That's awesome.